G'day, here's a few examples of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The material's been wetted, and it's what the white is the reflection of the lights. Rules in millimetres. This piece I've just basically thrown in. Just cut and polish it the way it is. Have the lightning effect of the potch running through the boulder. This piece, I think you'll be able to grind the top off. You might end up with a picture stone. There's different colours of potch showing here. It's got a little bar of brighter opal through here. Maybe just cut it off, polish it the way it is. It's a little bit better. See the green fire in there, a little bit see-through. Nevertheless, make a nice pendant, I think. This piece is basically what you see. Again, the same with this. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.